Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Linda.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Now let us have the speaking test for weather and seasons. What's the weather like today in your city?
It is rainy and cool in Tucson.
Now, what clothes do you normally wear on a sunny day?
I normally wear t-shirts and shorts in sunny day.
What clothes do you normally wear on a rainy day?
I normally wear trousers and t-shirts in rainy day.
What are the 4 seasons?
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
What can you do in summer?
I can get lucky money in summer.
What can you see in summer?
I can see the beach
In
summer.
what can you eat in autumn?
I can eat mooncake in autumn.
What can you do in winter?
I can sleep in winter.
Okay, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I can go to the beach.
Okay, that's all for tonight. Linda, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.